Welcome back to Nene StyleHouse. Last week in part 1, we threw out the guessing game. We picked up our tapes and we used actual math to uncover our different body shapes. What next? Let me tell you something. Knowing the numbers is only half the magic. The real power comes when you learn how to use proper cuts, intentional lines, and fabrics to make your wardrobe work for you. Today, we are taking these 5 body shapes and breaking down exactly how to style them using chic, everyday urban casuals. Let's dive right in. So first up is the hourglass. Since your bust and hip are balanced with a distinctly defined waist, your main goal is to honor those curves without adding unwanted bulk. Your best urban casual weapon would be a wrap top or a fitted bodysuit paired with high-waisted trousers. Look for clean, structured fabrics that follow your line. A structured blazer nipped at the waist will elevate your style while still keeping your proportions in harmony. Avoid boxy, shapeless clothes that hide your silhouette. Next is the pear or triangle shape. The hips is the star of the show. The key here is visual balance, where you draw attention to your upper body while elongating the lower half. So for your everyday casual look, you want to lean more into statement shoulders, boat necks, and textures or bright tops that add structure to your upper body. Pair them with clean, dark wash straight leg denim or a fluid A-line midi skirt. This creates a seamless, elongated line that flows effortlessly from top to bottom. Moving on to the inverted triangle, the exact opposite of the pear. Here, your shoulder and your bust carry the structure. So the goal here is to add a little softness and texture to your lower half to create symmetry. So your go-to urban casual here would be your V-neck or scoop neck tops that soften your shoulder line. You can pair this with wide leg trousers, cargo pants, or pleated skirts that add movement or width to your lower half. So before we move on to the next shape, if you have not watched the part 1 of this video, there is a link somewhere here where you can click and watch so you can follow us on this journey. Up next is the rectangle, or what we call the athletic shape. Here you have a clean, straight column where your measurements are fairly uniform. And you know your superpower is that you can pull off any cut. But if you want to create the optical illusion of curves, you should lean more into peplum tops, belted jackets, or layered pieces that build texture around your waist and your bust. A cropped structured jacket paired with a high-waisted jean instantly adds definition and shape to your waistline with zero effort. And finally, the apple shape, where you carry your volume around the midsection. Your styling strategy is elongation and celebrating your best feature. So you should lean more towards empire cut silhouettes, flowy tunics, V-neck or scoop necks, and open structured blazers that create gorgeous, graceful vertical lines. Avoid belts directly at the waist or fabrics that add bulk around your midsection. Remember, fashion isn't about changing your body to fit the clothes. It's about choosing the right clothes to celebrate your body shape. So which urban styling tip resonated with you the most today? Drop your favorite look in the comments below. If you loved this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and share this with a friend who needs to know their numbers. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today on Nene StyleHouse. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.